Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you these really nice, very fluffy, kind of Christmassy mini cakes. I don't know what you would categorize these as, but they're very delicious and I'm excited to share the recipe with you. You want to start out with your brown sugar in a bowl. You want to go ahead and add some butter, a little bit of salt, some vanilla extract, some orange flavor, and then you want to mix until it is all combined and a very nice texture like this. Next up, you want to add in 1 egg at a time and then mix. Now you want to add your flour and baking soda and mix again. Then you want to add the orange juice and the ground almonds and then give it a final mix. Then you want to take a baking sheet with some baking paper and you want to spread out the dough evenly. And since this is quite a sticky dough, you want to do it with kind of small strokes so you don't push the whole thing around. And then you want to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. When your cake is out of the oven, you want to take some honey and some orange juice, as well as a little bit of rum or whatever you like. And you want to heat that up so it is completely combined. And then you want to soak the warm cake in it. Just spread it evenly all over. And then let it cool down completely. Now you want to melt some dark chocolate, and while that is melting you can go ahead and cut this dough into very small little squares. Then you want to go ahead and take your melted chocolate. And you can see we already spread the pieces out a little bit, and then you want to go ahead and drizzle the chocolate all over. You want to create a nice design with that. And then you want to take some candied orange peel and sprinkle that on top. And then finish them off with an almond on top. And then you're done. So as soon as these are hardened, you can enjoy them. And they're very fluffy, very nice texture, a lot of taste. And I just can really recommend them. So I hope you give them a try. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.